Don't forget to sign the contract. Don't forget to sign the contract. Did you pay the bill? Did you pay the bill? Don't bite your nails. Don't bite your nails. I was busy at home. I was busy at home. I want something from you. I want something from you. I need some help from you. I need some help from you. I finished my homework early. I finished my homework early. My mom cooked a delicious meal. My mom cooked a delicious meal. Why didn't you call me? Why didn't you call me? I will not stay here for long. I will not stay here for long. I came back for you. I came back for you. Have you paid the bills? Have you paid the bills? Where did you put the keys? Where did you put the keys? I need some new shoes. I need some new shoes. I knew you hate me. I knew you hate me. Do you know how to ski? Do you know how to ski? Get your hands off me. Get your hands off me. I bought it for your birthday. I bought it for your birthday. I can't let you to go. I can't let you to go. I want my money back. I want my money back. You should stay away from problems. I want my money back. Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me?